Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are talking about my favorite subject, highlighters. And these are some of the newest highlighters that are out in the drugstore right now. So without further ado, let's just get into it. P.S. I'll list the names and prices and everything on the screen as usual. So I'm going to actually put on 2 of these today because I didn't put any on for this reason. I'm super excited. Now some of these I have tried a few times since getting them, and some I haven't really reached for since getting them. And I will tell you why as we go. So the first one is by Physicians Formula, and this is the Pearl Butter highlighter. I'm confused about these. I think there's like 6 now, or 5 or 6 now, because I think they just came out with like 2 new ones. I was expecting, now don't get me wrong, really pretty, but I mean I was expecting the whole like butter bronzer formula, but this is almost like reminiscent of ColourPop formula. Like it's almost wet feeling, if that makes sense. Really pretty highlighter though. It has that slight pink tinge to it that I don't love, but it's not severe, so it's not too bad. This is one of the ones I don't really reach for. I just don't love the consistency of it, to be completely honest. I feel like it settles into my fine lines and pores when I tap it up on like my highest point of my cheek. I don't know, it's just for me. The next is a newer one. I haven't actually really gotten to play with this. This is new by Wet n Wild. This is the color Flower Crown from their Mega Glow highlighting powder series. I got this and I was like, oh man, like, is this gonna be too gold? It's not though. It's a really nice light gold. And with a brush, it's good for even, you know, lighter skin tones. But I mean, if you have like medium to deep skin tones, this would be like incredible on you. Incredible. I like the formula, it's fine. I'm gonna, you know, see if I have reached for it in the next few weeks, but I'm excited to give it a few tries because I don't really have many golds that I can pull off. All right, the next, I was so excited about this. So speaking of golds, you know, like the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold? That was really dark. Tati loves that one, but I don't know how you can wear that if you have like lighter skin tones. I feel like it's just too deep for your skin tone. So when I heard they were coming out with more, I was like, oh great, but they came out with like a pink one and a purple one, like the holographic ones, and I was like, no. But then I saw that they had this one. This is Molten Rose Gold. It's pretty great. Oof, it's just... really good shade. And you know, these are like on the not more expensive, but like it's closer to $10 price range, $8 to $10 I think. But I mean, you get a nice amount in here, so that's all right. This one I actually have used a few times and I really do like it. I like the formula. I think it's all just really nice. The next 2 actually are from NYX. This is from the Love You So Muchi. I don't know if it's collab or just like a new series or whatever. I was so excited about this. First off, I mean, they're 3 and they're nice and light, so pretty much everyone can wear this. This one has a slight iridescence to it. This one's, you know, has a little bit of pink. This is more of like a nice yellowy gold. They feel incredibly silky. But like, and I mean, I know it looks amazing like with this light on, but when you put them on with a brush, they're just very glittery. If you put it on a little damp, it's pretty good, but the one like I was really excited about, the lightest, like if I look close, like I can see it's just very glittery. I just thought it was weird. Even on my fingers, there's like leftover micro glitter. It's just kind of strange. I wish it was a different formula and I wish there wasn't so much glitter in it. All right, the next one is again from NYX. This is called Born to Glow and it's in the color Stand Your Ground. Again, really excited about this too. And it's got kind of like a very tiny like peachy hint, but nothing criminal. And then it's almost like a taupey kind of color. But like the formula is very like crumbly. And again, it has, with the finger it's not bad, but with a brush, it just doesn't leave much on the skin. So I just thought that was kind of strange. Again, like I don't know where they were going with these newer highlights that they put out. The next one, it's like gross now, but this is the new e.l.f. Heart Defensor. I think that's what it says. I've used it a bunch of times. I love it. And it's in coffee and cream. And it has the kind of duo lighter and darker one. They're both gorgeous. The darker ones, you know, too dark for me, but I'll just do the old standby of using them as eyeshadow. But really creamy, really pigmented, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't love a lot of e.l.f. highlighters, so I was thrilled that I loved this. Last but not least is one I haven't tried at all, and I'm definitely going to pick one from this today to use on my face. This is the new Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified Get Baked palette. This is $20 for all of these. And Makeup Revolution, I just have one question. How do you make an amazing baked highlighter kick ass like you do. I hate baked highlighters. I always like end up hating them. They never have enough payoff. You have to like scrape them to get like under to the good stuff. I hate doing that. And I know I'm not alone. They have managed to make these without any scraping, without any work on our end. You take your brush, you dab it in, and you're golden, or pearl, or champagne. They're incredible. Now, obviously some of these you can't really use too much as a highlighter, but they definitely can be used more as blushes or definitely as eyeshadows, but there are enough in here that this was totally worth the 20 bucks. I'm crazy about this palette. So we are going to pick, I'm gonna swatch just like a handful of them. Oh my God, they are just, they're crazy. So I'm actually going to pick the color here, Pearl, to do on my left-hand side, and I think we're going to do, I'll show you guys the e.l.f. on, I'll show you the lighter e.l.f. one on my right. I'm gonna use my Eco Tools trusty brush for this. This is Pearl from Makeup. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like stupid gorgeous. And then the last one over here is from e.l.f. Oh, this one too, it's a tiny, well, maybe it's just a hint more subdued. I don't know, what do you think? But still, that's gorgeous. And for like $8 I think this was? Stop it. All right, so that was it. I hope you guys found some of this information informative. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I hope you'll stay and subscribe to hang out with me some more. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you did actually enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and hit the notification bell to be alerted to when I upload again. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.